According to my factory standards, I'm obligated to tighten all screws one time a year to ensure the reliability of all connections. Considering all the control cabinets in this building, this is a gigantic effort. Luckily, CompleteLine offers a perfect solution to avoid this. If you replace all your screw connections by push-in technology, the fit of your wires is absolutely secure, even under challenging conditions like vibration. The contact spring is also opened automatically when the conductor is pushed in and provides high contact and conductor pull-out forces. The push-in technology guarantees vibration resistance in accordance with railway standard, as well as shock and corrosion resistance in accordance with current shipbuilding registers. Further, it is certified for process engineering in the field of increased safety. CompleteLine offers product versions for all functions with push-in connection. This way, you do not only speed up the wiring of control cabinets, but also save a lot of time for the servicing of your plants to meet internal and external norms and standards. Trust in the reliability of push-in connections.